Hello and welcome to the Manufacturing Spirit podcast brought to you by MTDCNC. Today I am here with Mr. Manas Majumdar, Country Sales Manager, Haimer India. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming and giving your time and talking to us.
Yeah, thanks, Ashutosh, for connecting with us and giving this platform to connect with our customers and our other colleagues and our partners in the metal cutting industry and the machine tool industry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. So I would like to know, and our audience would like to know, how about the journey of Haimer India, how it all started in India. Can you please take us through your journey?
Yeah, sure. Let me first briefly introduce Haimer to all of you so that we are all in the same platform. So Haimer started its journey something around 45 years back in Germany, and India. We have started our journey around 15 years back. Actually, this is the 15th year we are in India. 2007 offices started as an Haimer India, but before that, we used to do through our channel partners in India, but that was mostly controlled by Germany. So I think from a humble journey, 2007, now it has grown quite well. Incidentally, we were also shifted in Pune in a beautiful location close to all of the industry and close to Tata Motors in the Bhosri and KSB. What you are seeing currently is our new tech center where from we are speaking. Yes, Ashutosh. That's the brief history of the Haimer in India, and we look forward that we will be growing better.
That's great to know. It's been quite a long time. I think you started with 2007, right?
Yes.
And it's a beautiful tech center you have made for your customers. I can see in the background.
Yes.
So can you please tell us what kind of systems you are providing for machine tool industry? What kind of products you are offering there?
Haimer, we are a system provider around the machine tool, especially the metal cutting machines. So we have the machines like the shrink fitting machines of variety of machines from an automatic machine to the vertical machines, and also we have horizontal machine. So as a system integrator, we show that the complete system. You can see the machine, a small chart you are seeing over here, where the central, it is the metal cutting machine. In and around, we provide the tool holding and the cutting tool. We also provide the tool presetting and for setting up the tool. Then the data processing also we arrange, then shrink fitting, tool balancing, and we have the 3D sensor and the complete tool measurement as well as the component measurement system we provide.
Very interesting. That's quite a huge range of products you have.
Yes.
So can you, I was curious, can you please tell us, because Industry 4.0 is coming, this as a new concept. So how you are integrating your products with that Industry 4.2 concept, because more and more customers are going towards that. How would you help them?
Yeah, Ashutosh, as I have told you, we are basically a system provider for around the machine tool, and we understand the requirement of the I 4.0. So all of our machine, so we will first talk about the tool holders. See, our tool holders comes with a QR code. So somebody would like to read the data. It's easy for them to access the data from the tool holder itself. It comes in the QR code. It is also possible to be integrated with the RFID chip so that the complete initial tool data is there inside the tool holder itself. Then those tool holders are being put into resetting machine. These data can be read from the RFID, and those machines are I 4.0 ready, so customer can easily integrate with our tool presetter the data, and if they, we are also doing the automation with our machine tool partners, and that's the one step on the tool presetting. Then we also have the tool balancing machine, which is also I4.0 ready. And so the customer can integrate the whole data with the tool holding and the cutting tool in the tool balancing machine. Similarly, in the shrink fit machines are also equipped equally the data transfer and data reading by the I can show you the this kind of reader easily used to read the data, and is completely integrated with the I4.0 system if the customer would like to go for that. So our machines, all of our machines are I4.0 ready and easily can be integrated with the customer's I4.0 system, whatever way the level of the automation they would require and what kind of data exchange is required is possible in a very secured manner.
That's very interesting. And security is very, very important when we are talking about I4.0.
Yes.
So what kind of customers you are serving here? Are you in automotive or aerospace, defense, or all kind of sectors?
We serve whoever cuts metal. So, and also have our, many of the tooling companies are also our customers, some portion of the other, but majority, as you said, the topmost customers, we are in a very precision. The specialty of Haimer is the precision, and of course in the micron level precision, and also we have a high quality and better than the most of the prescribed quality given by the DIN and the other international standards. The most precision industries like die and mold, medical, aerospace are our majority of the customers. The automobile is, of course, in India is a big, so they are all our customers. Also in the general engineering, we are there. So that's a huge list of customers. Most probably, we touch all kinds of people who are there in metal cutting industry.
Wow. So you have a very big, a huge customer base in India, right?
Yes.
So how do you serve such a big customer? How big is your team? I mean, for sales and after sales support?
We have most of the all across India. We have our salespeople as well as the service people spread it, and we also have the channel partners. Most of the channel partners are also trained to technically as well as trained to give the service support, as well as they can give the right kind of solution when customer demands it. So we have more than 30 channel partners, and all across they are also being served by the closest salespersons. So we are spread it all over India and quartered at Pune. So we have a tech center over here. Our stock, one of the point, the philosophy of the Haimer is that the quality cannot be delivered unless it is given in time. So we keep a lot of stock over here, and so that whoever wants it get immediate solution from us.
So you have warehouse in Pune, or
we have warehouse in Pune. We have a warehouse.
Okay, it's great. So you can give quick delivery to your customers all across India.
Yes, almost 80-90%, including the machines, we can deliver within 7 days.
Great. So, sir, I also wanted to understand what are your future plans for Indian market, because Indian market is growing so fast and in various new sectors. So what are your future plans?
I think plan is to integrate and propagate more on the as a system provider on the, especially on the I4.0, and the I'm sure the industry is moving towards the automation. So more and more customers will be taking a total system in place of a single system. So we are equipping ourselves and we are interacting with the machine tool people also, so that the complete system is provided to the customers. I'm sure this technology center would also help the customers to get the right test of the technology, and we are ready to give a demonstration of our machines if customer looks for a particular solution.
Amazing. I mean, this looks like a very interesting technology center. I would love to visit there very soon.
Sure. You are most welcome, Ashutosh.
Thank you. So, sir, we are at the end of the podcast. Would you like? A lot of people are watching you from the globe, across the globe. So, would you like to give any message to the audience or your prospect customers from this global platform?
Yeah, I think the message is that the trust Haimer, and we believe that the quality wins. So please go with Haimer machines, tested technology, and not only that, please let us know what we can do so we can discuss and take it forward. Definitely, we would like to reduce your cost, improve your reliability, and give you more productivity.
Great. And last but not the least, how can any prospect customer or audience who would like to work with Haimer can contact you and your team? How should they contact you?
Haimer at haimer.in is our site and our mail, so people can go over it. We have an India website, so people can contact over there. We have the channel partners, they can contact us. And surely, my name is Manas Majumdar, so manas.majumdar at haimer.in, people can write. I assure that we will reply back to them within 1 to 2 working days.
Great, sir. Great. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time and giving us so much interesting information about Haimer products. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Ashutosh. Thanks.